My name is Amna Mazen. I am an owner for my dance company called Amna Dance to Inspire, where we teach Bollywood, jazz, hip hop, and Latin. I was on So You Think You Can Dance with NDM Dance Company. We were featured as one of the performing professional groups there. That was amazing to be on that stage. Also, I was in the music video Teach Me How to Dougie, in which we did like a Bhangra, a Bollywood style Dougie. It was also a lot of fun. I've been teaching at this studio, Your Neighborhood Studio, for almost, I think, 5 years now. I am a trained dancer in Bollywood style, Latin and ballroom, samba, cha-cha, all of those, jazz and hip hop. So those are my four most favorite dance styles, if you will, and that is what I teach. That is what I'm passionate about. So our dance company has a curriculum of incorporating all those 4 styles so we can create the all-around dancer. For Bollywood, amongst all the actresses, I grew up to Madhuri Dixit. My mom told me when I was 4 or 5 years old, I'd watch the Ek Do Teen, I'd watch that over and over, and I would just take over the TV and I'd try to mimic her. And she totally, the way she performs with her face and incorporates in her body where almost her soul is coming out through the performance is who I have admired all my life. Beyonce is an amazing performer, but Bollywood-wise, I actually really like Katrina as well. Her dancing is coming up there, but Madhuri is my favorite.
She definitely knows how to teach, and I cannot dance Bollywood. Thank you, Amna.
It's fun.
We're going to leave here Bollywood stars. I'm very excited.